Good morning. Start from the packing stuff. One of my drone battery gone. It was get wet and it's not working anymore. So I got only one battery left. But at least one battery is okay. It flies like 3 times in nice locations and need to charge it. But €40 gone. Okay, so packing. I need to leave the hostel today, and we'll decide later what to do, to get another one or just jump into while camping somewhere. Don't want to pedal much today. Again, day off, so we'll see later. Improvisation, as I like it. Yep. Checking new camera. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Working. How is the speed? How is the level? All good, all good. Should be right. So we're leaving our base. Got back everything. It's nice hostel. Really like it, pretty much. Amazing people, everything. SD card speed low, but it's still filming. It's just progressing a little bit slower. So, time to go. Day 26. See ya. Bye. Iron Hotel. Best hotel ever. Let's do it. So, leaving Bilbao. Going up. Hostel kicked me out. There is no more rooms available for tonight, all booked. So it's gonna be full house. If you don't like it in a hostel, full house. Sorry, thank you. No worries. We're leaving Bilbao. No more rooms available in the hostel. So we'll do wild camping again. Not much cycling, about 20 kilometers, 25 today, and we'll check the nice spots near the seaside again. We'll see what we can catch on our way. Bilbao is a big city, so we need to get out for about 1 hour. So slowly moving. Still blowing out, can't barely pedal. Nearly the end of the Bilbao, and rolling slowly. Flat ground today, mostly flat. Easy, quite easy, slowly, no rush. And tomorrow we'll push more. Tomorrow we'll be back on the road, as I say. Finally reach this bridge, which I was going a couple days ago. So from here we'll start going now to sea coast side. It's not very far, about 5-4 kilometers, and we start exploring there. Not the cities. Boring in cities. I like outside in the wild somewhere. leaving this site. Where we next? Not far away, 9 kilometers. Cloudy day. Might get some rain again. We'll see. It shows in the evening, 7, 8 o'clock, when I need to put a tent, then it's gonna rain. Just brilliant. El viejo puerto del Spuccino. Plenzia. Mini village. Boats, river boats. Plenzia center. That's how villages looks like. Small towns. Just after 2 o'clock. Rain coming, so might take a seat somewhere. Eat. Take another beer maybe. Why not? Let's take it. So today, Vizcaya. Sea coastline. From Gexo, then now in Barica, Plenzia, going to Baguio. It's gonna be a bit hilly later, but it's okay. A little break time. Raining again. Mini skate park. Found the roof, so it's safe here to drink 1 beer and get lunch. Buy some fruits, buy some vegetables. We'll make something from it. In the hood, Siggy's. Go IPA season, some new version. Let's try. Nice one. Stukas. Sugar down. Just eat it, so need to wait now a little bit on the rack. Bloody raining. Nu va, mini kalniukas pasitaikė. Bušiai dar nemažai, palei jūrą. Vien kalniukai. Another beach. What a beautiful, wow. Here is supposed to be a big hill, so we'll see how big is it. Another top up. Verkia. Kažkas verkia. Man. Min tik tai. Not so little. Oh. Keep pushing. Little showers. So stopped it a little bit, break, a little drink in the middle of the hill. I'm supposed to be in my bed resting today, but where I am? Woohoo, on the top of the hill almost. Ah, what are you doing? Going. Not crying much. Okay, I need to go. Time to go. Enough to rest. And here we go. Nice. Corner. Empty road, no cars, couple of cars in 10 minutes. Back in the business, pushing my bike. Very long one. Don't want to sweat too much. Einam. Kažkiek nuėjom. Dar biškutį ir minsiu. Climb up, climb down, climb up, climb down. We're in a point of view where there's nothing to see. Shit. So I'm going all the way these hills now, up there. Still continues, hills, and soon we reach our town to rest, for a rest a little bit. And I need to make a video as well, because didn't make yesterday, but I got 25 ready, because it was only half day traveling around the city and not much action actually, because I was very tired. Point of view, another little break, should go down, need to eat, and then not much left to the city. Don't know the name, forgot the names. Just shows it the city. There is if a road straight to that city, not even checking GPS, just going to the road and see what's happening. Vis dar kopiam, niekaip užkopti negalim. Ir užkopiam. Yes, I'm somewhere in nature finally. 28 kilometers from Bilbao already. Thinking to make less, but following the sea coast, feeling alright. Why not to go? Another after another. Woo. Yes, day off today, brilliant. Feeling alright. Muscles rest a little bit. Now I can pump till another, to the border of the France. We'll take maybe break time there, and then we choose the route to go Belgium, Velo 1, or to go Italy side. We'll see. No cars. Baguio city. No people almost. Quiet. Nothing happening. Here we go. View, little cafe. We'll make a video now. We'll spend about an hour. So chill out. Not much pedaling. Was a little bit today. 35, 40 kilometers. Nothing. Baguio, yay! Breakfast. I'm going up the hill now. Vieta gera. Bet reikia per žolės. Ir ten neaišku, ar bus lygų. Važiuoju toliau. Vaizdas tai čia, wow. Va. Looking for camping. Wet, but later we'll get next days, very warm days, 24, 25. It's gonna be too much. Wet, sometimes it's alright. Looking for camping spot just here for me. You're gonna see me. They might come and say, hey, what are you doing in Español? Bandom čia. Ten lygiai nieks negyvena. Viskas uždaryta. Daug tokių namų. Gerų namų, bet nieks negyvena, uždaryta. Keliauja gal dar kažkas. Ir va, turėsim vaizdą. Wow. Nu va, kaip pasisekė. Toli nereikėjo reiti. Nu ką reikia kempingą čia bandyti. Gal nieks neprisiknės. We have blue sky there and ready for the night, chilling a little bit. Woo. So the tent is built, get better weather, stop raining, didn't get wet much, almost nothing. So tomorrow morning, boom, again, video. Amazing. So day 26 finished. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, any tips, any questions, and peace. See you tomorrow.